Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss how to create follow-up work orders from the Field Service mobile app in Microsoft Dynamics 365 Field Service. Like if a technician has the permission to create a work order and they want to create a work order, so they would go into the Field Service mobile app and they would be go into the work order. So click on work order from here. Now I want to create new work order. So click an option drawer from here and then click on new. Now fill up the details. So firstly select the service account for that work order. So which is the account that I have been working. So I am selecting this. Click on work order type and now I am selecting diagnosis and repair. Now go and select the service address for that particular location. As you can see, default service address that get populated in associated with the service account that I just selected it. Now click on edit from here. Like it might be the case that the site that I am working is might be different. So I have to put in the detail of that particular location. Now click on done button and then click on save button from here. So work order is created successfully. Now go back to the system and see the details of that work order that has been created. So work order number is 00064. Now I will see that work order number 00064 has just been created for my organization, and it is a way for customer and technician go and create that work order, but it does become cumbersome like when they have to add all those fields for the follow up work order. Like if you are actively working on a work order and as you finish that work order, so you are able to import the lot of data into that new work order. Now I go to my bookings within this feature. Now click on booking status drop down and then click on completed. So if I set the booking status is to completed, then click on save button, and after I have finished of the various service tasks associated with the booking and that booking is closed. Now click on option toolbar. So it give me a new option called follow up. So click on that. Now it take me to the work order creation screen. But this time it will show me the basic detail of the work order is already filled out based on the previous work so that I have been working on, and based on the previous booking, so it already bring in the service account and billing account. Also it brings in the service address of that location. Now you can see that the service address is the same service address that associated with the previous booking, and I don't have to change that. So the only thing that I do select is the work order type. Because the follow up work order it might be of a different type. Now I will select the work order type from here and now click on save from here. So that will create a new work order. Now go back to the system and check if that work order has been created. Now click on this work order. So with the field that technician had populated with the correct status. Now click on address which was populated from the previous booking right here. So this make easy for technician like to create follow-up work order, and when they finished one work order and want to add another one into the end without having to enter all the details. So this feature is depend on the technician having access to and the ability of the create work order. And for the organization that do enable that through the security role and assign to the technician, so this will make easy for them. So in this video we covered how to create follow-up work order from the field service mobile app. Thanks for watching.